right here. This brown bird is called a capuchin bird. I don't find these guys actually in South America, mostly in the Andes mountain region. And they are named after capuchin monks because of that bald